A balanced poster makes it easier for viewers to understand the product and the message without feeling overwhelmed. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Choose a clean background. Then open the Elements panel and add a few simple geometric shapes to organize the layout. Place 1 or 2 larger shapes behind the product and use smaller shapes to balance empty areas around the headline and promotional details. Upload your product image and position it where it naturally becomes the main focal point. Add a bold product title, a concise description, pricing, and a clear call to action using readable typography. Keep the color palette limited and repeat the same